Hey everyone and welcome to a new video here on my channel. Call of Duty is dying more and more, and honestly it's sad to see. I have been a fan since Black Ops 2, but the last few games felt all the same. Recently we have seen more bad updates while core issues remain untouched, and it's clear that their focus is more on skins and the shop rather than fixing the actual game. And the drop in player counts just keeps getting worse and worse. So it's basically up on us to change something there and bring the game back to life. A few months ago I posted a video where I recreated Call of Duty inside of Unreal Engine quickly and easily with just a few asset packs from the marketplace for a few $100. And it was a small project with just one dev from my team assisting me. And you guys really liked the video, but you also had some great feedback there, so of course I made some improvements here. First, maybe let's talk about what we have added. Since day one, my favorite map in Call of Duty has been Raid, so I looked for ways to quickly and easily recreate it and put it into our game. And that's when I found a YouTuber who had already recreated Raid from Black Ops 2. I downloaded the map and integrated it in our shooter, and of course I needed to optimize it further. Collisions weren't set up and the performance was a little bit laggy, but after some adjustments it looks and runs great. A huge time saver, since manually rebuilding maps like this can really take forever, so a big shout out there to the original creator. The link is in the description, and definitely also check that out. I also fixed some of the other issues and points you mentioned in the last video. The game was lagging due to incorrect screen capture settings that should hopefully be fixed now, and many of you guys didn't like the motion blur, and no worries here, I heard you as well, and it has been drastically reduced. And also the AI got a little bit of an improvement here. Before, enemies grouped up too much, making them hard to kill. Now they split up a little bit more and roam out more, but sometimes you have still 2 or 3 of them run together, but I guess that is due to the 3-lane approach. What should they realistically do? They need to split up into groups then basically. But what's next? That's a good question. Definitely let me know in the comments there what you think we should add next there. A class editor or something completely different. Your feedback there helps to shape this project. Together as a community we can either revive Call of Duty or make our own better version of it basically. I just want to point out that again, this video is just a demonstration of what you can achieve even with a small team and only a few $100 of budget. Instead of spending money on the battle pass and skins, you also could invest it in your own game. And I know this first person, the shooter pack, is from the marketplace and the map is from another YouTuber, but that doesn't change the fact that what we have made here is already better than what Activision is putting out with millions of the budget basically. I run a game development studio full-time, working on professional projects there for clients, and I don't have that much time for personal projects or also for those YouTube videos. And this is the easiest way out there to build your own game, and I just also wanted to share that with you guys because I know that many of you maybe also have limited funding in the beginning, or also don't have that much time to spend there due to a day job and all that stuff, but still you maybe have the dream of creating your own game, and I want to show you exactly that this is also possible when you have those restrictions basically. And if this video just motivate one guy of you out there to start his own game, this already means the world to me, because this process can really change your life, and you can and will learn so much new things and skill you can also reuse everywhere else. And on top, you can also build up a community around your game, playing it, liking it, and of course you can also earn a nice side income through it once the game is released, but even right in the development process with the right strategies. So I hope I was able to show you that game development don't have to cost millions if you have the right strategy. Even a small team with low budget can achieve big things there. The tools like Unreal Engine are free and out there for every one of you to use. And if you have a great game idea or you're already working on something and want feedback, I would love to help you there, and I'm happy to share with you all the knowledge I have learned over the past years, where we have successfully launched a couple of games there for our clients worldwide. Just reach out to us over mail. I will link the mail here in the video and also in the description, and I'm always happy to assist there. As I mentioned, I just wanted to show you what's possible with a small budget and small amount of time basically spent in there. Instead of wasting your money there on the next Call of Duty Battle Pass, maybe grab some asset packs there from the marketplace and start your own projects, build your own community, and even start earning from your games. And do it in a good way, not in the greedy way Call of Duty does it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think we should add next, or which game we should recreate next in the comments. And thank you very much for watching. Take care.